Homemade salsa. Squeeze 2 limes. I roll the limes to soften them up before squeezing. Squeeze for the juice. Put lime juice aside for later. Drain 128-ounce can of peeled whole tomatoes. Add tomatoes to a processor or blender. Add 1 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Drain. Add to the processor. Add 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. I use fire roasted mild. Drain. Add to processor. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add 1 teaspoon garlic salt. Add 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Add 1/2 cup of chopped yellow onion. Add squeezed lime juice. Optional. Add 1/4 cup fresh cilantro. Blend the ingredients. Taste. Add more seasoning if needed. Put in airtight container. Refrigerate. Chill for at least 2 hours. Food ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share.